top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Hey y'all, morning, good morning. I'm not feeling it this morning. I am not feeling it this morning. Can you tell? Oh my god. Guys, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this at all. I hope, you can't see me. I just recorded one whole something and the phone just stopped record. Like, guys, I'm really in need of a camera. I'm really in need of, oh no, this is not it. Our recording devices are giving us a lot of trouble. I just recorded a whole thing and I just want to look up 30 something seconds sketch. Like, that don't make no sense. Anyways, I'm on my way to work. I'll have to get back to you guys after work or probably during my lunch break at work. But guys, your girl back at work and I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it at all. Alright guys, wish me luck and yeah, I'll see you guys in the afternoon or during work sometime. But nobody not saying 9 o'clock and I'm gonna read the message good. Hold on. Exactly, I mean, hear nobody say nothing after. The last person who takes about some me will say noted or something because everybody say noted, so I just get involved. You don't have to get the message some way. So tapping.
But they never go extra man. What happened to me?
Oh please, then we say me they will get a message regardless. I haven't seen farmers in such a long time. Look at the breadfruit tree, guys. Oh jeez. Hold on there. I don't want to see it load. Breadfruit. Hold on. Look at breadfruit. The whole tree load up of breadfruit, bruh. The breadfruit tree are nice. What, Mr. Grizzle? Mr. Grizzle, Mr. Brown. Oh my God. Because I will miss them people. I'm not like. We can't argue no Mr. Grizzle. Mr. Brown. Oh my God. Who they call for phone? Mr. Brown? Oh God, man. Woo! This is so strange. Me not lie you. Oh, this is the farmer's sun on my skin. Oh jeez. Haven't been here in so long. Oh my God. It's crazy. Hi y'all. So windy. Work finally over. Oh my gosh. I'm so not used to this work thing anymore. Wait for my co-workers them. Today was a good day. Today was a good day, a good start to the work week. Again, getting back into the saddle and all of that good stuff. I still feel like sleepy. And I used to do my time, yeah. What is 5 o'clock in the mornings? What is 6 o'clock? I haven't seen those in like 3 months.
Gonna get some water.
She gonna get some water.
Did you know?
Hey, sister, now going to town? Eh? Oh, okay. So we're getting a ride. We're going into the town. So she can't manage you. Oh God, nobody said that. Because if I do you and you can't manage you, that's say no. She just said no.
Don't get that on camera.
She's just a learner. She had to take her time. She can't manage no with a passenger right now. So when we're reaching the town, then I'll get back to you guys. Alright. So we are going to supermarket. Oh, you don't need it. You don't need no mask to go in there. You don't need mask.
35.
One time I saw one shop
Myself, my video, sir, not you. Tell me you can leave. Oh gosh. Farmers. Oh, how I did miss you. I missed you, but I didn't. At the same one. You go in the pharmacy go check if you need it. That's true.
No, pharmacy.
Eh? I said I can't cross the road.
Your video is
Hi. This is Brittany. Say hi, Brittany, in the comments. She's my friend. You go always see her in the vlogs and once they're on the road. Out and about because she's a little spar, is it? That's Brittany. Good body Brittany, you know? All natural. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, any name again? I mean, you should not remember their name, that's true. Alright, so we're looking for what kind of board you want? Whiteboard?
white chalk.
Red board where you can use the whiteboard marker? Or,
You see, you don't have the match for these. The match.
Okay guys, so this is your regular schmegler shiny man. 85,000 for this fridge here. I don't even know what this store name. Oh, I don't know. Okay. A chalk use on them. Now. Oh, white and chalk. How much we it? Oh, girl. See a little chair here.
Really?
You can sit down on it. Ellie, a big girl now, you know. How much? $3,000. Yeah, I forgot to ask if they have any leftovers. If leftover white board something. Place hot. Like it's crazy. Sorry, baby. No, more on the braid me here. No, I wanna braid my hair. Alright guys, so we're going to get water from Mondays. So no, we're gonna get water from Monday, so when we reach, I guess. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, I'm unable to go in because you know the mask thing and all of that. I have my mask but I decided not to go in. Alright, music I play, I don't want to get copyright, so I'll see you guys when I am home because I'm going straight home, period. I'm not staying on the road. Nope. Alright guys, so later. I try to surprise him, but he looked like he missed me. Look like he see me.
Wait so long.
Look at this.
Can't video my chest.
You didn't get to me?
Can't even come.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Oh, he misses me.
So much.
So I am going to have this jewel, no, like East Indian. Hey, we don't even know mango. East Indian mango. Yeah, I got it from a lady in Falmouth. That's why it pays to live good with people. Yeah, so I'm gonna go devour this. Right. Alright, so I eat the mango, but it don't look like it ripe enough. Barely any juice in it. It's like the other half of the film. Not as juicy as I thought it would be. So that's way sweet. It's very, very sweet. Big up to Miss Blossom. Alright, this is going to end the vlog right now. It feels so juicy. I'm going to end the vlog right now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to devour this. Don't forget to like, comment, leave a genuine comment, people, please. Subscribe, click the bell notification to be notified when I upload videos, and share with your friends and family. Make everybody know you all subscribe. Just that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.